Good morning, dear students. I am taking exercise 5.5 that we have stopped in the last class at question number 11. So I am going to question number 12 now. Find dy by dx of the functions given in this exercise from 12 to 15. So 12, question number 12. It is similar to question number 11 only. X to the power of y plus y to the power of x equal to 1. We have to find out from here the dy by dx. Okay, students, let us see how to find out dy by dx. Let us consider this x to the power of y as u. Suppose we consider u for x to the power of y. Then if we apply here log of u, because it is a product of x y times, so we can use here log y times log of x. So now if we apply here now derivatives, let us find out the derivative of this one. Differentiation 1 by u du by dx with respect to x. Then by product rule here we can do now, that is dy by dx into log x, considering this one as u, this one as v, u dash v plus v dash u, that formula. So now it's what called derivative 1 by x then into y. So this will be du by dx is equal to u goes there, so u into, it will be dy by dx into log x plus y by x. Okay, so this is du by dx. Let us stop here. Next, let us take the second part as v. Suppose I consider now v as, again let this v be equal to y to the power of x. Then log v will be equal to x times of log y. No? So then it will be by applying differentiation here 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, again by product rule, we can find out. So it will be dx by dx is equal to 1. So ddx of x is 1. So that means it will be log y plus then x as it is 1 by y into dy by dx. Got the idea? So then from here dv by dx will be equal to, v goes there, v times log y plus x by y into dy by dx. Okay, so this is second equation. So second equation. So 2. Now combine both these equations. You see this is u plus v. Given equation is what? U plus v. According to our assumption, this is u, this is v. So du by dx and dv by dx will be equal to 0. Now since, you can write like this, since x to the power of y plus y to the power of x is equal to 1, therefore that is u plus v is equal to 1. That means du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So ddx of 1 is 0. Now du by dx. What is du by dx? Let us write that part here. So du by dx is this expression. Look at this equation 1, u into dy by dx into log x plus y by x. U into, but we can change this u also, we will change later on, dy by dx into log x plus y by x plus dv by dx. Next part is dv by dx, this one, v into, here you write v into, what shall we write, log y plus x by y dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is the whole equation. Now from here we have to extract the expression containing dy by dx, means part containing dy by dx. dy by dx is here, also dy by dx is here. So if dy by dx is taken as a common factor from here, it will be u into log x and this will be v into x by y. That will be dy by dx common from them. So now let us take the dy by dx as a common factor. this dy by dx here, and this dy by dx is here. So we'll take that dy by dx as a common factor. If we take dy by dx as a common factor, then we'll get like this here. See, dy by dx common from the term. Here will be u into log x, and here will be v into x by y plus v into x by y. Dy by dx is out. Now we have got here u into y by x. Now, as you see, u into y by x. Then from here, from this part, v into log y is there, plus v into log y is equal to 0. So now from here, dy by dx into u stand for what? X to the power of y log x, plus v stand for what? Y to the power of x, that is into x by y, plus u is what? Again same, x to the power of y into y by x, plus v is y to the power of x into y log y is equal to 0. Now if we transpose this side, this whole thing to that side, it will be like this: dy by dx into x to the power of y log x, and if we combine here, you see y to the power of x divided by y, it will be y to the power of x minus 1. So plus it will be x into y to the power of x minus 1. Okay, then this also that same way, x to the power of y divided by x, that means it will be x to the power of y minus 1 into y plus y to the power of x into log y is equal to 0. Taking this whole part to that side and taking this also to that side, or let us write in two steps: dy by dx into x to the power of y into log x plus x into y to the power of x minus 1 is equal to minus this whole thing. So it will be x to the power of y minus 1 into y plus y to the power of x into log y into log y. So now taking this one to that side, then dy by dx will be like this: dy by dx is equal to divide sign, then minus here, minus bracket x to the power of y minus 1 into y plus y to the power of x into log y divided by x to the power of y into log x plus x into y to the power of x minus 1. This is our final answer. Okay, students? So in question number 14, cos x whole to the power of cos x whole to the power of y is equal to cos y whole to the power of x. See this. So let us consider this as u. Suppose u be equal to cos x whole to the power of y, then log u will be equal to y times log of cos x. Yeah? Then after that, if we take differentiation now, 1 by u du by dx will be equal to dy by dx into log x log cos x plus 1 by cos x into ddx of cos x is minus sin x into this y by this u into v rule we are applying here. So from here, let us separate this dy by dx part. No, taking this one to this side, we will get like this: 1 by u. Oh, let us write du by dx. Sorry, du by dx is equal to taking u that side, u into dy by dx into log cos x minus y times tan x. Okay, then u stand for that expression. We'll use it later on. Let us keep as it is. Okay, this is du by dx. Next, let us write cos y to the power of x as v. Let cos y v be equal to cos y whole to the power of x. Then log v similar way, no? X times log of cos y. Then taking derivative of both sides, 1 by v dv by dx is equal to ddx of x is 1, so it will be log cos y, then plus x into ddx of cos y is 1 by cos y into ddx of cos y is minus sin y, and into dy by dx From here, dv by dx is equal to v goes there, v into log cos y, then it will be minus x into tan y dy by dx. So this is dv by dx. Students, you understood? Now what you will do, because both are equal, you see this u equal to v, so we have considered this part as u and this part as v, then du by dx equal to dv by dx. So since it is du by dx and it is dv by dx, we can write them as equal. So these two are equal means this right hand sides are equal. So what you can write now? So since u is equal to v, therefore du by dv dx is equal to dv by dx. du by dx you put in left hand side and dv by dx in right hand side. du by dx in left hand side, what is the expression for du by dx? U times dy by dx log cos x minus y times tan x is equal dv by dx, this expression, v into log cos y minus x tan y into dy by dx. Okay, students? So now from here we will take dy by dx as a common factor. So dy by dx is here in this part and dy by dx is here. If we take this dy by dx as a common factor, then it will be like this: dy by dx as a common factor, then it will be here u into log cos x, then v into x tan y. This is minus, so it will be plus here, v into x tan y, that is dy by dx is common from there. So after taking dy by dx common, then what are the terms that will remain? We will write in the right hand side, equal to v into log cos y is there, v into log cos y. Then from here also this will go, u into y tan x will go there, since it is minus but that side it will be plus. So it is u into y tan x. Okay, u into y tan x. So from here we write dy by dx into u into log cos x plus v into x tan y will go to right hand side and it will go as a denominator, equal to it will come down here, u into log cos x plus v into x tan y. This will be here v into log cos y plus u into y tan x. So this v stand for what? That only right now here. V stand for cos y whole raised to the power of x log cos y plus u into u stand for cos y cos x whole raised to the power of y into y tan x divided by u stand for cos x whole to the power of y log cos x plus v into v is what? Cos y whole to the power of x into x tan y. So this is dy by dx. dy by dx. So this is the final answer. But here you see this cos y to the power of x is same as cos x to the power of y. So you can take this as a common factor also, because you see in the beginning itself we have said cos x to the power of y and cos y to the power of x both are equal only. So we can take as a common factor here. Means cos y to the power of x, or here itself we could reduce the step like this. V and u are both are equal. So u here also you can write u, and here also you can write u. So then this u and this is also u, this is also u, this is also u. Are you understanding what I am saying? If you don't write this also, okay, let me write that line, another line for this. You can keep the final line this also, students. This is correct. What I have cancelled, that you don't require to cancel, you can keep it as it is, no problem. But this u and v both are equal, no? U equal to v. So here also I can write u into log cos y plus again u as u only, u into y tan x. So this v is, now this v is written as u, since u equal to v, since u is equal to v, both the functions are equal. So divided by, everywhere you write u into log cos x, v also you write as u only, u into x tan y. So this u is taken as a common factor, cancelled, and the final line will be just like this. You can write log cos y plus y tan x divided by log cos x plus x tan y. This way also you can keep the answer. This is our final answer. Okay, students? Previously what I wrote, that is also correct. Okay? But if you think that you want to remove this, you can remove this way. Okay, students? And you'll keep the final line this way. dy by dx is equal to. Okay? Question number 15 is, students. Question number 15 is given this way, that xy equal to e raised to the power of x minus y. Okay? So if you apply here log, then it will be log of x plus log of y, because product rule, log of y, this log of x plus log of y, because product of two additional numbers, log of x into log of, what to say, log of xy is log of x plus log of y, is equal to x minus y, then log of e, log of e is 1, x minus y into log of e is equal to, this is 1, so this will be just x minus y. So you will get log of x plus log of y is equal to x minus y, because log of e is 1. So then take the derivative of both sides. Directly you can take, because here directly you can go about this dy by dx only is required. So ddx of log x is 1 by x plus ddx of log y is 1 by y into ddx of y is dy by dx. is equal to d dx of x is 1 minus d dx of y is dy by dx. So then from here what shall we get? 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to x goes there, x into dy by dx, 1 minus dy by dx. Got the idea? So 1 by y into dy by dx equal to x into 1 minus dy by dx. Instead of writing like this, we can combine dy by dx, because we are looking for dy by dx only. Let us not write like this. Dy by dx means taking this one to right hand side. So we will write like this: 1 by y into dy by dx. This will come here, so plus dy by dx, because our target is what? Dy by dx, no? So it is equal to here 1, and this 1 by x is taken to right hand side, it will be minus 1 by x. So then from here dy by dx is common, it will be 1 by y plus 1 is equal to, here will be x into 1, x minus 1. So from here this is also dy by dx into, if we simplify, this will be 1 plus y by y is equal to x minus 1 by x. So from here dy by dx is equal to, taking this one that side, this one also that side, so it will be y by x into x minus 1 by y plus 1. We can write like this. This is our